In an earlier video, I was having a problem with joints. The axes were not correct on the joints. If you look over here, you can see the x-axis is the red line and the z-axis is the blue line. But if I try and create a joint on a component, you can see that the red line, the x-axis, is going up, and the blue axis, which should be going up, is going horizontal. And what I learned is I need to use this joint origin option, and it lets you change a joint axis direction. So if I click that, do that, then right here I can create a joint origin, and then over here I can click reorient, and I'm going to reorient the axis so that you can see it's red right now. But if I go over here, now the blue z-axis is pointing upwards, and the red x-axis is pointing in the correct direction. I don't know if I need to do this, but I'm going to do this anyhow, just to be on the safe side. Select that face. Now, because I want to join this over here, I have to do the same thing where I want to actually join the components. So again, joint origin, I pick where I want to join, and then I'm going to reorient the axes on the joint point. There you go. The blue axis is facing up for the Z, and the red axis is facing horizontal for the X. Now I can create a joint between those two. Right now you see the axis is wrong. I slide over until it locks in, and then do the same thing here. And now they're joined together. And now if I change my offset X, it goes in the right direction. Which means I can now use my X offset parameter.